Did you guys know that there's an Instagram account called Rich Kids of the Internet, which features wealthy millennials from all over the world? If you want to take a peek through the lifestyle of the rich and famous, we've got you covered with our list of 7 of the world's richest kids who flaunt their wealth. What's up, Factnatics? This is Discovery Amuse, serving up your daily dose of the most outrageous, outlandish, and out-of-this-world fun facts. Our number 1 pick is so rich, he lives like a king, and why not? Watch till the end to find out who he is. Now, let's roll out the red carpet for these young royalties.
I think all we ever talk about is money. We should be having fun.
Money is fun.
Number 7. Gazi Garcia, aka Lil Pump. Lil Pump is an American rapper and record producer from Miami. His standout singles include Gucci Gang,
Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang,
Let's Get It,
All the way to sign this skit.
D-Rose, and I Love It.
I love it.
He's just in his 20s, but he started rapping when he was 16. At 18, his net worth was already $10 million. He's probably rolling in so much dough that he managed to make it rain in this jewelry store with cold cash.
Yes, sir. Make it rain. We're making it rain, baby.
And like a boss, he lay on the bed of dollar bills and did what most of us would have probably done next as well. A money angel. And if you thought diamonds are a girl's best friend, let's just say Lil Pump could be a jeweler's best friend because of his massive diamond collection.
These are each like a dub, they're like 60 together. Got the star rings, this one was like 17, this one was like 25.
What do the stars mean?
Just stars. they don't mean
And one of his most expensive necklaces so far.
We got everything in the Bible, man. This one was like 380.
All this bling bling sure makes it crystal clear how big Lil Pump's coffers are.
Just dropped out of Harvard, became the icebox.
Impressed? Wait till we get to our top pick. Number 6, Isabella Barrett. Do you remember what you were doing when you were 6 years old?
What's 7 plus 9?
79.
Is he a little boy or a computer?
While most of us were probably busy playing with toys, Isabella Barrett was already a millionaire. Isabella was a child beauty queen famous for her appearances in the TLC reality series Toddlers and Tiaras. But this little princess's riches weren't handed to her on a silver platter. In fact, she worked hard for it. After retiring from pageantry, Isabella launched 2 businesses. Glitzy Girl, which is a jewelry and makeup line for kids, and Bound for the Crown Couture.
Kids love it because it's comfortable, and moms love it because it's couture. It's comfortable couture.
They say if you've got it, flaunt it. And Isabella's definitely got it.
In California, I went to the store called Philip Klein, and I got a shirt, a jacket, pants, and shoes. And it was over $1,700.
Isabella also has a collection of over 60 pairs of shoes and tons of Burberry headbands. She also loves to splurge on room service. One time, Isabella reportedly ordered lobster and filet mignon worth $2,200. Plus, she drives a mini Cadillac. Guess our little beauty queen sure knows how to live like one.
Oh my God, I just love it.
Number 5, Suri Cruise. When you're the offspring of Hollywood A-listers Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes, it's no surprise you're bound to live the life of glitz and glamour yourself. And Suri Cruise has turned into a little fashion icon who owns $1 million wardrobe. Paparazzi often capture photos of Suri wearing luxury brands and accessories. From a Burberry coat valued at $900 to a floral Dolce & Gabbana dress worth $1,200 and a coat from the same brand that cost more than $2,000. She and her mother Katie also loved to match accessories like the Salvatore Ferragamo luxury bag for children, which cost $850, while her mother had the adult version priced at $1,850. Even as a kid, Suri was known to have expensive taste and loved brands like Christian Louboutin and Marc Jacobs. According to the Daily Mail, her shoe collection was valued at $150,000 in 2011. Wow, just wow.
Wow.
Number 4, Eric Finnman. You may have heard about people getting rich from Bitcoin. Well, Eric Finnman is the world's youngest Bitcoin millionaire. When he was 12 years old, he used the $1,000 his grandmother gave him and invested in cryptocurrency in an attempt to win a bet against his parents.
Are you saying you don't want to go to college?
No, I'm saying that it is fiscally irresponsible for me to go to college.
They told him he wouldn't have to go to college if he became a millionaire by the time he's 18 years old. And while money doesn't grow on trees, it apparently grew in computers. And Eric became a millionaire after Bitcoin's value surged in 2017. The then 18-year-old traveled the world and has been posting about his expensive escapades on Instagram. He has photos of himself stepping out of private jets, driving luxury cars, throwing money in the air, laying on a pile of cash with the caption, "My blankets are made out of hundreds. It's really the only way I can sleep." I know the feeling, man. But wait, he's not actually as awful as he might seem in social media. Eric revealed that his curated content is meant to be sarcastic. He thinks that provoking people would be a fun way to get attention for his ideas and projects. Some include building a school and doing this cool robot suit based on the Spider-Man villain Dr. Octopus to help a 10-year-old kid with hypermobility issues. Number 3. Mohammed Lawal Mustafa, aka Mamfa Jr. Meet the richest kid in Nigeria, Mohammed Lawal Mustafa, more popularly known as Mamfa Jr. He is the son of Dubai-based Nigerian businessman and billionaire Ismaila Mustafa, known as Mamfa. Little Mamfa enjoys every bit of his father's wealth, as shown in photos where he is seen holding bundles of cash or sporting branded clothes like Gucci, Fendi, and Versace. Mamfa Jr. also received cars as presents from his father and even got a house as a gift for his 6th birthday. I'm not talking about a playhouse, but an actual house. What's a 6-year-old gonna do with that?
Hi, guys.
Hey, rich man. Just checking out your crib here.
When Mamfa Jr. is not busy riding luxury cars or posing in his very expensive OOTDs, he travels in style. Well, business class style, that is. This little boy's net worth is also estimated at 500 million Nigerian nairas, or more than 1.3 million US dollars. However, early this year, Mamfa Sr. was reportedly prosecuted for cyber fraud and money laundering.
They had so much money in there, you could build a house out of stacks of $100 bills.
As of the latest news, he denied the accusations and filed a suit to compel the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, or EFCC, to pay him damages for alleged unlawful rearrest and detention. Number 2. Northwest. Celebrities Kim Kardashian and Kanye West have built their respective empires through beauty and fashion investments, which helped them amass more wealth. All this money will obviously trickle down to their children, and the lucky child who got to experience it all first is their eldest daughter, Northwest. Okay, maybe North is too young to consciously flaunt anything, but photos and articles clearly show how #blessed she is. The showbiz princess has diamond studs worth 50 grand. She also has at least 5 strollers, which reportedly cost $1,000 each, and a $3,950 crib. Her parents also make sure that her all-white nursery is replicated in whichever country they are staying in. Her walk-in closet holds a 200-piece designer wardrobe with some pieces costing thousands of dollars. North and her mommy Kim were also spotted in twinning disco ball sparkling dresses valued at 11 grand. Probably a bargain price for the Kardashians. Safe to say, Kim and Kanye will spare no expense when it comes to their kids.
Kanye, what's the best part about being a dad? The kids.
Before we go to our number 1 pick, do us a solid and make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to choose all so you won't miss out on any of our latest life-changing, boredom-busting content. And of course, be sure to turn on notifications in your app settings. Number 1. Rashed Saif Belhasa, aka Money Kicks. Rashed Saif Belhasa, also known as Money Kicks, is the son of Dubai construction billionaire Saif Ahmed Belhasa. And if there's one thing we know about the rich people in the Middle East, they literally live like kings and queens. Rashed acquired millions of followers on Instagram, where he provides a glimpse of his extravagant and dreamy life. Their house is one of the most expensive in Dubai. Rashed even has his own farm of exotic animals like Bengal tigers, white tigers, lions, giraffes, zebras, panthers, and chimpanzees. Aside from his collection of luxury cars, including a Cadillac Escalade, a colorful Lamborghini Aventador, and a shiny Rolls-Royce Wraith, Rashed also owns a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta with a 6.3-liter V12 engine. As if that's not enough to make us drool, he combined 2 luxury brands and wrapped his Ferrari in a red Supreme and Louis Vuitton print, just because he can. Rashed also has a sneaker collection valued at over $1 million. Before you strike him down as just another lucky kid born into riches, Rashed actually has entrepreneurial skills. He started his own e-commerce store called Money Kicks, where he sells bags and shirts. He also co-owns the streetwear clothing line called King's Ambition. With an outlook like that, this kid will definitely go places. With expensive rides, nonetheless.
Grab the car?
Which rich kid lifestyle impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Take home any of our exclusive gear by browsing our merch shelf or clicking the link in the video description. And while you're at it, take our quiz to find out how you can earn extra cash online doing what you do best. Awesome, right? Hungry for more mouth-watering moments? Then do check out our list of the 15 strangest last meal requests on death row. Till then, stay awesome, Factnetics, and see you in the next video.